Welcome to another episode of AMD Day Trader. I'm your host, Jamario Walker. Today is November 16th, 2020, and we are looking at our 2-minute chart of AMD. Okay, so we opened today here. Started at a point, we're right below our moving average. I'm going to go ahead and write it out. So we're below the 20 already. Below the 200 already. We fell below our other moving averages. This is our little bottom right now. So that's our first 2-minute bar. And then we followed up with an inside bar. This inside bar, let's go. It had a bottom, let me move this down, at one point of about 80.51, but it recouped those losses and brought back up. After seeing that, seeing it take all of that movement off of the lows of the day, seeing that move, and then this next move, this massive move which put us back up above all of the moving averages, took out all of this negativity. So this move here took out all of that. So it's like this never happened. So looking at this bar is when I went ahead and went in for my trade. We went long at 942. Let's see what that's at. We actually waited here. Let's see. So we got our first trade in at 942 here. I tried to get filled in this area, but I couldn't. I couldn't find a price point that I wanted, and I wasn't willing to pay a little bit more than I try to pay between $500 and $600 per contract. I couldn't get anything in here. I wish I could have gotten to this trade earlier. Would have been a bigger return, but we couldn't. We didn't get filled until 942. We bought 5 contracts here. I'm gonna open that up. And then I bought some more at 947. So we bought 3 more. Let's see here. In here somewhere. As it was bumping up against the 8-period moving average, we bought 3 more. Okay. And we held those contracts. We didn't start selling these guys until 1010. Let's see here. So let's see. So we sold from here till about 1018. So from 1010 to here, 1010 to there. So we sold in this range here. Not bad. I just wish I could have got in earlier here. Right on this bar here is when I initially tried to get in, but I couldn't get filled. I wanted to get filled here. It would have maximized our trade, but we couldn't. We got filled late. About 5 here, bought 3 more here. We rolled those contracts through this brief negativity here. And as you can see, it bounced off of the 20-period moving average, and it didn't get any further than that. Stuck in our trade, stayed in our trade, and we got out here. Let's see here. Let me move this back over. So adding both of these additions here and getting out here, we made about 484 total. So not bad. Could have been a lot more had I got in when I wanted to here, or here, either one of these locations. But I couldn't get filled to this area here, and that's one of the weaknesses of options trading. You trade according to the price of that option, and if you can't get an option price in your price range, that you're willing to pay for it, you gotta wait. And sometimes you end up chasing trades, and I hate to chase a trade. That's why it's so important to get in at your prime location points, because it will eat into your profits. We couldn't get in where we wanted to in here, so we waited a little late, got in here in this little pullback area. We were still able to pull out, a 485 profit for the day, which isn't bad. We'll take it, and we will work on our execution and try to get those trades in a little quicker to maximize our returns. That is all for today, guys. Not a bad way to start the week, but we will get back on it later, and I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching.